In this tutorial, we're going to create a flash effect like you seen in the very beginning of this video. This is actually a request from a viewer who wanted me to do make clips flash. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make a flash. So you're taking a flash at night and the whole screen goes all white for just a split second. So let's begin. Go to Advanced FX. Select Brightness and Contrast. Click Animate. So we'll put 2 in here. 1 right about here. I'll create a keyframe. Move it 1, using the arrow key, 1 frame forward. Take the brightness, move the brightness all the way up. Go 1 frame forward. Reset this back to 0. 0.000. Play it back. It's good. We'll do 1 more. Right about here. Create a keyframe. Go 1 frame forward. Put the contrast or the brightness all the way up. One frame forward. Reset this back to 0.000. And the end result looks something like this. So that's all you have to do to create a flash effect in Vegas Pro. If you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.